오늘 아침에 어디에서 공부했어요? Oh, I used the O form.
In this video, we're going to check out one of the common mistakes when learning Korean as a foreign language. If someone asks, what did you do yesterday? And you answer, I went to a cafe and studied there. The moment my student sees the word and there, they want to do something about 그리고. Well, not in this case. You'll see 해서, 하고 when conjugated for 하다 verb in Korean learning. And notice that they translate the same in English. Do something and blah, blah, blah. Yes, sometimes they're interchangeable, but not all the time, unfortunately. You'll learn how different these two are when translated and for those two in this video. If I want to know, where did you study this morning? 한국말로 오늘 아침에 어디에서 공부했어요? And then you wanted to say, I studied at a cafe this morning. Or you can say, I went to a cafe and studied there in English, right? And in Korean, 저는 오늘 아침에 카페 가서 공부했어요. That's what we say. And this is one of the common mistakes by learners. I see this all the time. So they always say, 저는 오늘 아침에 and then 카페 가고 공부했어요. Because in English, go and is 그리고. So they always say, all of my students at the beginning always say, 가고 공부했어요. No, we don't say that. Why? I'm going to explain that in just a minute. In this case, I call this soft and. It's not like I met my friend at 1 o'clock and I played golf at 2 o'clock. It's like bullet points. Then it's like and. However, this is just one event. This is not really two events. I went there to study. I went there. I studied at the cafe. It's one event. It's just it's just happening 1 and 2 in a row. I just go there and do this. It's just whole thing is one event. You know what I'm saying? So in that case, you don't say 카페 가고 공부했어요. It's like two events. 카페 가고 공부했어요. It's like two events. Like, what did you do yesterday? 카페 가고. That's one thing. There's another one. And I studied at home. 집에서 공부했어요. Like that. So if it's one event, 카페 가서 공부했어요. Okay?
네.
카페 가서 공부. In the your form or 비읍니다 form, you're going to have this kind of structure. Now, in the 반말 form, 오늘 아침에 어디에서 공부했어? Now, 저는 become, so with your form, it was 저, right? Now, in 반말 form, 저 becomes 나. 나는 오늘 아침에 카페 가서 공부했어. Instead of 공부했어요, you don't need you anymore because you're talking to your friend. 반말, right? 오늘 아침에 어디에서 공부했어요?
저는 오늘 아침에 카페 가서 공부했어요.
Okay. Now your turn.
오늘 아침에 어디에서 공부했어요?
저는 오늘 아침에 카페 가서 공부했어요. 오늘 아침에 어디 가서 공부했어?
나는 오늘 아침에 카페 가서 공부했어. 오늘 아침에 어디에서 공부했어요? Oh, I used the O form.
No, we are the English friends.
오늘 아침에 어디에서 공부했어?
나는 오늘 아침에 카페에 가서 공부했어. Good, very good. Thank you so much for learning Korean with me. See you next time. 안녕, 다음에 만나요.